What is the absolute hardest part about managing a commercial kitchen or facility? Aside from the constant phone calls and emails, razor-thin margins and budgets, and communication across vendors, operations staff, and executive teams. It's trying to find that ever-elusive peace of mind, right? What critical piece of equipment is going to fail next? What invoice will you have to dispute with your service vendor? How can you explain to your operations team the difference between paying now and paying later? These are the questions that your partners should be looking to answer. There are a lot of companies out there that can service commercial facilities, but very few who successfully identify the real issues. The issues that can only be resolved by believing in communication over concealment, quality over cost, and honesty over everything else. At WCE, that's what we aim to solve. We do this better by being transparent, attaching shareable videos to every quote and work order, offering free technical support, and even initiating remote diagnosis to drastically increase the first-time fix and decrease overall R&M. By holding ourselves more accountable than anyone else, we're able to get ahead of the mistakes we make and come to resolutions quickly and efficiently. We can even train your operations staff on what to look for, listen for, and watch out for. And more importantly, when it's necessary to call in service and what to expect from a technician while on site, which means they don't call you every time they have a question. At the end of the day, our only job is to make your job easier. We provide commercial HVAC, refrigeration, and cooking equipment repair. We also sell and install new equipment, both big and small, and have a planned maintenance team to ensure the longevity of your most valuable assets. So on behalf of me and my team, welcome to WCE.